So anyway, we're at the Renaissance Fair. I say the Renaissance Fair. There's a lot of Renaissance fairs. We're at a Renaissance Fair. One of my favorites in the state of Oregon. Not because it's the biggest, because it's ran by some of the best people in the world. Okay? Great people. Loved working with them. They are not the reason I quit going to Oregon and Washington. So, I'm rocking Vlad, as is my usual job. And here comes the family with their daughter, probably about 4 years old. And she was a perfect little angel. She was dressed as an angel. I mean, it was just cute as can be, okay? Some of these kids, they're great. I have so much fun with them. So anyway, she's riding Vlad. I'm rocking Vlad. And she pointed to my tattoo, the one on my right forearm, the inside of my right forearm. And she says, in her cute little 4-year-old angel voice, she says, "What does that say on your arm?" I looked to see what she was talking about. Of course, I knew what she was talking about, but I made sure she saw that I looked to see what she was talking about. All of that, I don't know. And she kind of leaned her head sideways, looked at me kind of quizzically and said, "Yes, you do." Well, yes, of course I do. But you said you didn't. No, I didn't. Yes, you did. No, I didn't. And she thought about it. You could see the gears turning in her little angel head. And she said, "I asked you what it says on your arm." Uh-huh. What did you say? I don't know. See? What? You said you don't know. No, I didn't. Yes, you did. No, I didn't. So we go around and around in circles like this for a couple minutes. The guy in the booth next to me, he's sitting, he sells some beautiful handcrafted wooden items. And he's sitting in his director's chair there, and he's about to fall out of his chair because he knows what my arm says. He's laughing like crazy, trying not to completely lose it. She says, "But you said you don't know what it says." No, I didn't. What did you say? What does it say? I don't know. See? What? You said you don't know. No, I didn't. I was coming towards the end of our ride, but I don't want to stop. I'm having fun with this young lady. She's crazy. She's looking at me with the silliest look on her face. We'll see what these guys are doing for a little while here. She's looking at me with the silliest look on her face. And finally, she gets a little bit upset. I can see her getting steamed up. And this little angel goes, "Oh my God. Do you know what that says?" Yes, of course. You can see she didn't really want to ask again, but she felt like she had to. "What does it say?" I don't know. At that point, she just gave me a face palm. Held a hand out to me, talked to the hand. She couldn't believe how stupid I was. Well, this has got to be an exciting job. I'm a retired heavy equipment operator. I've done some pretty boring jobs. But I can't even imagine this. Ah, almost missed that one. Now let's go see what the next one is doing. The one following along behind him. It's a rock throwing machine. That looks like it's throwing some other thing too. I saw a stick or something in there. Anyway, railroad track maintenance. Hopefully this section of the line will ride better in the future. I saw another stick. Like I said, I ran some boring machines in my day, but oh man, this has got to be rough. Respirator required while machine is in operation. Another stick. I think it's the same one that keeps getting thrown over and over. Exciting work. Yeah, it's the same stick over and over.